Hey friends, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're gonna have a quick look at the new Qwen 3 model, which was released by Alibaba, and which you can access for free if you want, using the chat.qwen.ai platform. And the first question I'd like to ask you is actually, does this platform remind you to something else maybe? So it's just funny for me at least. And you can see that's what it looks like. And as soon as you sign up, you can do this via Google, for instance, via Google account. You can then simply create a new chat in here, and you can also select the different kinds of models, and there are also the new models, which in this case is this Qwen 3 here, for instance, and also this Qwen 3 here and this one here. So I'm using the most powerful one, which is this one here, the 30 billion one, but you can also choose other ones. And the interesting thing here is that you can also use the thinking mode, you can also search the internet, also MCP. This is coming soon, as you can see here. Currently this is not available, but it will be in the future. And of course you can also do additional things. And interesting for us probably might be also the image generation, because that created a huge hype, right, around ChatGPT. And also the video generation, so both is available for us. So if you search for a competitor next to Sora, for instance, or also the model from Google, which you can also use for free, by the way, then you can also go here with video generation and then simply type in your video prompt here, and you can also see a few examples here, which are also available. The other thing, you can also specify different kinds of aspect ratios. I'm not sure if all of them are also available on the other platforms. So if you know, just let me know. And you can also, of course, well, instead of typing, you can simply chat with the model here if you want to do that. So beside this, let me just go back for now, click on here. There's also the option to generate images. So the video generation takes a bit longer. I'll spare you now with that. It took me around, I think, at least 3 minutes or even 5 minutes to generate a video. So I thought that was quite long actually. But for the image generation, this is really, really impressive, at least from my point of view. Because if I go there and if I type in any kind of prompt for the image, let me just paste something here, for instance, this one, create an infographic, and let's just do that in real time and see how fast it is, because this was really fast, at least from my point of view, if I think about ChatGPT, for instance. So let's just run this for now, and let's just see in real time, as you can see, how fast this actually generates this image. So you can see it's really, really fast, at least from my point of view. And just a second, and then we are finished and have a look at the product. So that's it, large language models, okay, data input and so on. You can see that this is not really good, right? So this, for instance, you can clearly see is not as good as ChatGPT, because this model here currently is not very good in handling text data on images. But on the other hand, I also tried something else. I can show this to you. For instance here, a desert, Cyborg C18. So shout out to all my Dragon Ball friends here. I also did that one, and let me show you the result. So that's what it looked like. So of course, if you do not use text in your images, then this model might be interesting to you. As I said, you can try this for free. But if you want to use text, then you probably should stick to OpenAI's image model, because currently that's the best one regarding text on images. So that's it actually for using Qwen. As I said, you can use it for free. It's quite new. It's available for everyone. You just need to go to the platform, sign up, and then you can chat with it. You can create images, you can create videos. So all this is available. And as you've seen, MCP will also be available very soon. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also share it. If you got any comments, please also do that regarding other models and experiences you have done. And if you have not done so far, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot. Take care and see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.